Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of rice idli. First we have to prepare idli batter. I have already shown how to prepare idli batter in my previous video. Here I'll briefly show the batter preparation. For detailed procedure, please look into the previous video. The video link is given in the description. First take rice, wash it thoroughly and soak it for at least 4 hours. Then take urad dal and fenugreek seeds, wash it and soak it for at least 4 hours. Then soak poha for 1 hour. Now take soaked urad dal, add it to wet grinder. Along with that add water that was used to soak dal and grind it to a smooth and fluffy batter. Now drain and discard water from rice. Add rice to wet grinder along with soaked poha. Add water and grind it to a fine batter. Now transfer the batter into a wide utensil and give it a good mix. Now cover the batter with a lid and allow it to ferment for at least 8 to 10 hours. This is the fermented batter after 12 hours. Remove the required amount of batter into a bowl. Add salt and give it a gentle mix. Make sure not to overmix the batter. Now batter to prepare idli is ready. Now add water to a idli pot and keep it on flame and allow it to boil. Meanwhile, grease idli molds with the oil. Add the prepared batter into idli molds. And when the water starts to boil, place the idli molds into the pot. Close and cook in medium to high flame for 10 to 15 minutes or until the idlis are cooked well. Once the idlis are cooked well, remove the molds from the pot and allow it to cool completely. Once the idlis are cooled completely, remove it from the mold using a sharp knife or spoon. Soft and fluffy idlis are ready. Serve it with coconut chutney or sambar. Hope you all like the recipe. Thank you for watching.